Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat ki bakongsan mentara sengi Shillong. Ujor ke hitu syaka MSPCB ya u pui-pui ke karkhana sando bilat ha umiam. Nakarilum sya Highland penkela uba pol lengdo ya kajing ruang jong u. Jor uba PS lengdo da ke FIR ya unong tok pisa bakular penyokam. Ban Hawar hajar arpuar ngalayo i markmat ya kajing ong UCM habapli ke jaka saat mai ki kena haskol paimau. Bat mentang ni apai si ki Khubor ki bakam benia. Nakajingo ilang ba kawe ke video ka balapha de kinong shong shnong ki basa ha kathain yam nong seder bat na ki de khot jong ka seng halor ka jingmi ki tedam pui-pui na kawe ka karkhana sando bilat ka bala ai kerteng RNB Cement Private Limited ka badon ha yam Ribhoi district kala penlong ya ka Neutrap Integrated Territorial Organization Sengkme ha ka jingalam u president ba don bok takar ha ka artarik Naitung Kilabu da kajing ujor ha member secretary jongka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board MSPCB hende namar kajing bam don jong u laya kendu bar ka senior environmental engineer kong dis imli habaladap kajing akran bar ka kong imli u president ka seng ulaya thu hakilat pathai Khubor da ka baong kani kam dei shu ka trem ka bami na ki atos khana nrei kila dei ki pui-pui ki bala banbu ya ki jingma ya ki breu bat ki jingri jingdup ki basong basa saudong kani ka karkhana nalor ka taru ka jingshim khia ka seng ya kani ka kam ka dei namar kwa baka yam kan yo ya ka nam kum ka bernihat ka badap da kal air sneu bandring mensim ulapan kan mau da ka baong man kapor laju ya kran berkentu ya ki pat ba ya kajing koridor kali air khoj kajing koridor kajing khoj jing suba ha ka singi rakhe ya ka environment day hendrai kajing shisha pat kapau ba kajing jabo kala keu ha Meghalaya amdunashu shakalai 4% kala bu ya kajing ma ka ba ya ki pat ba no shong shnong kumta na kalyang ka hitu kala kentu ya ka MSPCB ban toket pat wat bania halor kani kajing ut jong ki pat ba Lada kani ke karkhana kambut iki kendon deban kang damno yaka.
Itu sentime nyelawan jenis Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board hadin ba ni yo ke jing ujor naki paradokot berkinong senong jong ka than na po yam nong ster na stai te kila pha e we ka video ka ba ka don ka leakage habi ade bat ka we ka cement factory ka bangi tip kerteng ka RNB Cement Private Limited te hadin bangi i ka ta ka leakage kam dei shu ta kata ka tedem ko bami nang ta atos khana lene kata ka chimney smoke ndrei ka dei ka dust particle kata ka ong kanong no ka khti lene uklinkar ubami nang to ka dei kata ka leakage ka ba ima te yaki video lingi la yoring gile bangi la dem IT hang ne apo office but shapi kilat taibor ju te nakalyang ka jongi ni la yakran baku member secretary bopet akan ikam Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board pangila IT ro ya ka jingu jo nan kata ka dorkas bat la receive di kongs imne ibad de pet hapo kan ka benta di members country kumjo te na kalen ko jongki ki ong kim shong klikti ken le ikni ka budun kam bat hoy nadu u benai jong April bat June kala don kata ka city ka bakila ai shiki industrial estate hapo yam ke beper ba katkum ka jingkren kan ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ya kata ka particulate matter PM10 kata ka particulate PM 2.5 kila exceed ya kata ka National Ambient Air Quality kamumut ke bambu jingma ya kata ka tong thain ke badan stai but ka jing shim kya hi na ka seng hito namar bangim kwa ba ko yam kan yo ya ka nam kum ba yo ya ka po ka bernihat ka badang shen ba mdei tang nakapor sa kapor ba ngi ekran ba kata ka ban haka jingrakhe ka taka walls environment de hendrei ka jing shisha pat ni lab ba menta kumba life officer ka Meghalaya kal along kum kata ka polluted area la pipet chandu yes chante hills Ribhoi district ba kato kan ni ki jaka ba umla bante kandon ya kata ka pollution but ni kenturu bat ni penrem ru ya ka sarkar MDA keba island ya ki cement factory bat ya kita ki industrial ki bamla bante lakam kane bro khoi ka dei ka jingkhan sting ka sarkar bat la dengi pet kat kum kilat pathai Khubor ha jing jubab dei ki minister i ba kim tip e shphang ka tak environment ki la shu kren babe bat ki ong ba ni don kam da ka jing ujor ka jing complain hendrei ha ba ki don ke khmat ki dei ban pendon kam ni ke khmat bat ki ka jibiang ha ba khilai bat Gisung kya hadu kata but ni kentu yak MSPCB bakadai ban kangdam lada katai ke R&B kamla ban pembiang kat kia kata ka jingdon kam kat kum kani ka juk pementa bente lakam ni kata ka pollution but lada kani ka office kamla bente lakam ngi mansi na kalyang ka sengin sim deki weki lat klenti bat kan poi ru shadu ka senjam lada kam biang kat kum ka kata ki kriteria kat kum ki jing ai jumut jong ka seng hakani ka dorkas temban seng ya haban lekang hi nomor ba bandring mensi
Kajing ruai khasi ke bala ai kerteng rilum bala tho bat bu sur do ba pol lengdo nong ya lam ba menshua ka KSU unong seng ya ka party khon na nyautrap National Awakening Movement knam u bala long teng u menteri ha ka sarkar Jylla mentapat pula bat eksyuki MLA na West Shillong constituency bat unong ai buit ka sarkar Jylla advisor ya kini kajing ruai rilo menta uba pol ulapan kela dala dehi syaktin pareng bat ula ai kerteng daka Highland. Haba ula dapen kela ya kini kajing ruai rilo syaka Highland ula IT haka kenhon ruai choir jangka St. Claret Higher Secondary School nong mensong man ruai ya ka. La record ya kini kajing ruai bat lashna music video. La pelat pat ba haka channel YouTube haka jingelang kabala long haka artarik Naitung arhajar arpun reu haka ni ke school da uba pol lingdo rengkat ka jinga don lang bat jing sakhi u principal jang kani ka school kinong hikai bat ki khana puli.
A spark of talent in each one of you. And you can rest assured that when it comes to music, as I said, it is innate, it is inborn among the Khasipanas and the Garos of Meghalaya. And to the younger ones, perhaps it will also be a source of motivation for you to know that when they started off Shillong Chamber Choir, their biggest platform would be the State Library Auditorium. From them, they went on to perform before President Obama when he visited India in New Delhi. That's the height where Shillong, where Meghalaya has reached. And I'm sure a lot of you are also tuned into the latest music. There is this guy who was homeless. He literally had to beg friends to give him a space to stay for the night. And he was extremely interested in music. He wrote songs after song, numbering about 1,000 songs. And each time the record labels would tell him, your music is no good. Your music is not good enough. But he pursued. After pursuing, in order to make some money, he would also sit by the sidewalk and play his music. This is something that is called busking. And as a busker, a few people who heard him noticed that there is something special in this guy. This guy with 1,000 songs and no company willing to sign him ultimately got one company, recording company, to endorse him. That guy is Ed Sheeran, who visited and performed in Shillong 2 years ago. And one of his songs, Sapphire, which he sang along with Arijit Singh from Punjab. If you watch
Naga jing jelai man kapor ki briu ki bathok pisa da ka bakam meladi baki don kalat kelenti ban ai kam ai jam hakitu ki badang thut kam uba PS lengdo away ni kinong tremon ngobha hakajan mir ar tarik Naitung ulalet ujor dak FIR hasadar police station Shillong ya away ubriu ubala thok la syukor pisa na ki babun ki Samla kane ka Jylla. Habakran cikilat patai Khubor uba PS lengdo ulay thu kat kum ke jingtip ba ulay yo uwe ubri ubala tip kerteng willy thank you ude ubri uba jumlin ban thok pisa na ki Samla ki ba thrang ban yo kam yo jam da ka ba kular ban ai kam yaki ha office sarkar ki kam kontrak bat wat ha ki kam security. Nalor kata uba PS lengdo ula keno ru uni ubri upan pisa hadu san ne shipaulak na ki Samla ban penrung kam yaki. Ulaong naganik jing sha thok pisa hauni ubriu bun kilong yen ki Samla kilama da ka jing kabakraw.
Duduk jumpa OC jumpa Sadar Police Station.
Nakaliang jongan si angkat barisan Yuan ban. Bu kini ka komplain apo Sadar Police Station. Namar ba hadin ba labudin ba dadak isnam. Kani mdai su ke badang menta. Kadai nadu kisnam arhajar arpo way arpo al ter hadu mensiam senam ngila yo bat yo new willy thank you kan ngila yo bat mo ngila khotlang dotlang bat barisan ru tu kapur ngila ong eu ba willy piwat melin su da kani ka kam ba pin kular ai kam ya ki Samla wat kam wat jam da ka ba phishim pisana ki da ka pikular pisa naki namar ba kidon ki batip ba kani kejing thapkam da ka ba ai pisa kalong illegal bat kadon ka anru ba wat ban kem yaki ru ka kem tehenrei kidon pat ba pli ki briu ki bananong kendong dei ki mudur ba kani kejing ai pisa ban yo kam kadai ka badai kimtip ba kalong bian te nakaliang jonga te kapur kita gibri ki balawan mi bat ngamen sem ajar pusan wan panjing irap ki wanra bat ki saki ki sabut ki babiang nakaliang jongi hedin mengilak khot yu ula kular bat uong ba ngan kalabamut bat ngan siu no ka pisa ke jongki bat ngan melin su ban kular ai kam bat ban sim pisa mo te hadin kata nakaliang jonga ngam that pajba la ni ngam peni pajba ya kata ka ka bangi yo bat ni yo kran yo bili te ko tingi supha tang ban yo ya ka hok jong kite ki Samla ki jongi ki bala ngop ho ka kti jong ni wili ngila pha sepok kut mo te ka kut kala le la ka jong ka benta ta kata tingi patip u advocate utip kampai kata te hanrei kani ka ba fresh menta ka isu kalong ba hadin ba iwe Samla ila ya thuken ba uni wili upan pisa hana kular ban thepkam bat ukular ban ai daga kam DEO seding paso ikular ban ai daga kam DEO seding paso bat ini kena Samla bapli haga jinglong sidur de nengkong ila nget ya kata ten rei hadin hasyo bakin ai ka pisa ki kila ya keren sobat nga kila phone nga hadin nga ong ki ba kata kam dei ka ba sisa ndai kini ki dei tang kita ki fraud la ni ki scammer ki ba chuthok ki kular ai kam tamba om dei ki bala ban ai kam te ndai nga la penslu ki nga ong ba wat num ting ki ai bet yat bisa kemat entertain khnang uni willy khnang ba ngan yo ban budin ban pensisa ba uni willy udai ba thok bersyukur ban kular aikam bat besim pisah.
Menteri Rangba ka Jylla kontrat ke sangma menta kasngi ulapli padba ya ka jakasa blashna thamai ki khana school pain mount ha ka jinga don lang menteri ka tanat puli buthi ka Jylla ba la kamen rumboi menteri arts and culture ba sanbor shulai chief secretary ka Jylla bat ki wei habapan kan mau ya ka jinglet jong usha ka ni ka school ha urisa wa hajar arpuar menteri Rangba ulaong ba usngo shan ba bantip ya ki jing balama de ki khana basa boarding ki balapan sngo ya ki jing kum ka jing pe ka tnom jing sniu ka madan bat ka jinglong jingman ka bam shngan bansa ulaplai ru ya ka program she thrives ka sanitary pad vending machine ka badon bat ki sanitary pad ka batmu ban kan tiu ya ka khoj ka suba bat ka burom ki khana school kan thei Haka jinga kran markmat bat ki khna skul. Menteri rangba ula juba be ki jingkeli habaya day bat ki kabu yo kam yo jam bat ka lawe jeng ki khna mentah. Ula batai ba katba ka jingdan ki kam sorkar kalong ka baduna bha ka sorkar kala thawi ki policy bat ki program ban thawi ki lat klenti lengba ka jing sengkam sengjam bat ka jingkiu haka kam shimen.
Malak men lembui and Basan Khuborjylla, our respected Chief Secretary and Commissioner Secretary, Education Department, all the other officials of the Education Department who are present out here, the teaching and the non-teaching staff of Pine Mount School, and all my dear students who are here participating in this program where we have launched the She Tribes program and the inauguration of the new boarding at Pine Mount School, Shillong. Before I start to speak, I would like to share a very short video and a few pictures just to go back in history for a moment. The voice, the volume, audio is not clear. Can you just redo it? Just redo it. The audio is important. Play it again. Okay, the audio is giving some problem. But this is the Pine Mount Hostel in 2022. Those are some of the students who were staying in the hostel. There are these two guys, boring people. One at the back, an education minister, and that's looks like me. And the students were telling me at that point when I visited that there were holes on the floor. That's what they were saying. That there are holes on the floor and insects and sometimes mice used to come in. And they showed me some locations where the ceiling was leaking and water kept dripping. And sometimes they had to move their beds because the water used to drip on the bed while they were sleeping and on them when they were sleeping. That is, of course, our former Chief Secretary, our Education Minister, who was also Education Minister then. And that was a whole building.
Hadirin ba ka Khasi Students Union North Khasi Hills District Unit ka let ban pensange ya ka jing pentre ya ka food court ha umling ka badai ka jaka balatmu bante ya ka facilitation center ban petngor ki breu ki barung bat mi na ka Jylla. Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoy u Dr. Abhishek Saini menta ka sngi ula khot ikinong yalam ka seng sha office tre kam jong u banekran halor ka ni ka kam. Hakani ka jingya kran laya don lang ru u Superintendent of Police ka Ribhoy u Giri Prasad u Block Development Officer ka Umling CNRD Block u ba Eric Kevin Khar bat u officer na katanat tourism u ba Pansen Shar nong kanri. Nakaliang ka KSU layalam do President ka North Khasi Hills District u Samla Ferdinand Kharkamni rengkat bat u General Secretary Samla James Hitler Maupnyang bat kiwei bat ki dekhot. Hadirin ka jingyalang kabala ne kattu ka nipor ka KSU kalapan pau ba ka jingyang jongka kam shamla kala satya bat kan yai persha ya ka jingthmu bante ya ka food court hakate ka jaka ka seng ka dawa ba ka sorkar Jylla ka deban pentre kam ya ka facilitation center kumbala thmu nadu ningkong knang ban pendan kam ya ka kum ka jaka petngor ya ki bawan rong shapo Meghalaya. Habakran Shikila Pathai Khubor, Presiden ka KSU North Khasi Hills District, Samla Ferdinand Kharkamni, Ula Ongba Hakajinga Kren. Deputy Commissioner Ula Pershang ban pensngau thu ban aila de kajing tre bakan ya chakmat klem kinu kijing penthut. Henry ka seng kalapan pau bakamla satya ban priang ya kani kajing thmu. Ula ong ba house na 8,000 arpo ka sorkar Jylla kala play patba eka facilitation center bat kalapan pau patba bakatei ka jaka kan longkum ka center babon benta kitanat sorkar. Henry mentapat ka jingthmu ban penkala ya ka project shaka food court ka long ka ka baka seng kamla bat pediang. Shu ula ong ba ka KSU kan yai yang scam haka nongrim ban persya ya ka food court haka ka jaka bat ka dawa ya ka sorkar bakan penurlong ya ka facilitation center kumbala dep rai menshwa. Ula benrap baka sengkam dan jing persya ada ka sorkar ka te ya ka food court haka weipan. Henry ka de ban penti kena shwa baka facilitation center ha omling kan urlong katkum ka jingthmu ban ningkong.
Te haba nikong ngaso ban ai kublei ya borok ki noilam joka KSU po district kejongi mengilai poi renti kum kasti wa filatep lapa na po DC office ban ya penduk mentaksi alor kane ka jing pasange ketika food court ka walaksna po joka facilitation center te kai ka bangi so ka bala kenduk ha ki ski ba lalet ha jingwan jong vice president joka KSU sangkmi nilai alai pet yang di jaka nilai kenduk authorities officer Bat kelapau syai ba kadon ka jingthmu ban penkelan ya kate syaka jaka ban aibam dan ka food court. Te ni nagaliang jungi persya nomor bangilai ya ka Meghalaya Resident Safety Security Act hadin ka jeki ka online permit house dem aja khalai aja kasau bat kumju ru nadu sdem aja kandreu ya ka ain lap kelaak eka bat ngi sosi ba hadin ka jingwat jaka house dem aja kendai ngilayo ban pe ya kate jaka wat langi ka sarkar ka barim benchwa kala ai jing thmu la kala ai jing Bosco yangi ba kadon ka jaka ka bandon hadu khatsan ekar ka jaka hangte hapo khat khandai mer ka kejumut juga khasan ekar bang du mishwai sarkar ka barim ka jumut juga kalong ba kanam don kanono ka jing theng kali kanyait la ka jong ka len bat kanon ka jaka ka phe bane ka ample space te ngila so ba ka jing bamyo pat ya tu jaka nama kala long dum palat hadin pat house nem ajak khandai ngala ikmi te jaka ketika jaka kada joka transport department bat hatu por kampadon ni ka jisnaru henry hadin ba ngiyo ban penbai pasokar ngiyo ketika jaka ka belongkup arekar tam bat ya ka batam ya kata kala shimhi ka transport department ban bu ya ka kata lani ka bridge bat ngiso ba house dem ajar arpo aka arpo trek u banai no pra ayo ban pli ya ketika facilitation center lomba jong sumbut menteri ubadai uba person tusong hat Khubor bat lapan syai yangi bakidon ki laki jong ki facility sangto lane ki counter benikong kade jong ka tourism department ka baar kade jong ka infiltration department ka balai kade jong ka labor department bat kumju ki way department lada donkam bat kumju ka cafeteria hane ngan pensyai balabu khanang yaka lada ki nonglet ngawan kin wanle ki kot kisla kamde ban simpor than balaja ba ka simpor kedon ke cafeteria kinyo pan bam yadi lade kinyo pan res sangta henry lada ngipet ya ka jingbut joka mchwa ngiso bangi pediang ni trapor nomor bakini ki counter kimja kja dru henry langi ya kan pat kajishna kuma pilai lalai menchisi bangi POE paro katuka area barkhoi lasna namata ka food court lane ka jaka aibam te ka ta ingi nomor langi pet ya ka kasan ekar ka jaka ka badan pengide banyo mchwa ngi kamyo ngiyo ekane arekar tam lane ka baduna kanlong ka jingtheng kali hadu ka tata lada kan sedang kane ka Meghalaya Resident Safety Security Act hapo jong kane ka facilitation center lane ngi ong kata ka entry point te kumta ngi panpau hangne kasgi bo DC ba ngi persya om ya ka food court kanwan hapo district riboy jingi hangno no jikaru ngilong ki bakloi ban pediang
Bada kitu ki Khubor la poi shika bakut terhadu bangin daya syambiang kuplay shibun.